Kenya Alliance okinyi makawuono e bura mane gintiere godo kar romo manoendo mar KICC. Bura noendo ne otwake weche mang'eny ahinya mag tego Azimio la Umoja mar mondo mikoro obi okaw loch dwe mar 8 manoendo mar higani. E seche mane giloso e twagno endo ne gikadhe weche mang'eny ahinya kaka achiel kuom gine loso komiti mabende bro ng'iyo ni to jatelo mabro telo ne Azimio la Umoja men migoso Raila Odinga jalup ne nyalo bedo ni en ng'a. Komiti noendo o meeting mar bende timo manoendo ma en kolo jogi e achiel kachiel kigo gi kogno mar mondo mikoro gi yier ng'ano mowinjore ahinya mondo bed jalup jatend piny owacho kapono ni migoso Raila Odinga bro yudo loch mar piny Kenya e dwe mar 8.
Today and held fruitful discussions including reaffirming the party's commitment to ensuring that the forthcoming general election is characterized by sober contemplation and debate on key national challenges, among them uplifting the well-being of all Kenyans, eradicating corruption, respect for dissent and views of others, peaceful campaigns, a stable post-election economic environment, and a united, inclusive, fair, and prosperous nation. The Council further resolved, mandated the National Coalition Executive Committee to immediately recommend suitable qualified individuals to be appointed to the following party organs: A. Coalition Election Board, B. Coalition Elections Appeal Board, C. National Disciplinary Committee, D. Dispute Resolution Panel. The Council also resolved to appoint an advisory panel to recommend to the presidential candidate suitable candidates for nomination as the deputy presidential candidate. 3. Directed the National Coalition Executive Committee to immediately prepare a campaign strategy and plan that will ensure 1. The Azimio la Umoja One Kenya presidential candidate wins the 2022 presidential election. 2. Azimio la Umoja One Kenya forms the next government. And 3. Azimio la Umoja One Kenya forms the majority in parliament and in all 47 county assemblies of our blessed republic. Thank you very much. An end of statement.
Thank you.